In modern business, information is the most valuable resource a company can own. Almost every industry now runs on instant digital communication. Yet, if you look closely at the global trade system, the network that moves physical goods around the world, you will find it still relies on millions of physical paper documents. When a company imports or exports a single container of goods, they have to generate and mail massive stacks of paperwork across the world. Literal piles of invoices, shipping manifests, and customs declarations are required just to prove that items were actually shipped and that payments are due. This creates a massive bottleneck. Because these physical documents have to be routed by hand, the computer systems at the buyer's bank and the seller's shipping company stay completely disconnected from each other. This leads to weeks of processing delays, high costs, and a system that is easily exploited by financial criminals. This visual roadmap outlines the 4 pillars of how we solve this problem. First, we digitize the data using artificial intelligence. Second, we secure that data with a blockchain. Third, we automate the process using smart contracts. And fourth, we use these tools together to build a more secure global supply chain. Moving away from this fragile paper trail isn't just about speed. It's about building a system that can actually keep up with the scale and complexity of the world today. This diagram shows the core problem: fragmentation. Banks and shippers have advanced systems, but they operate as isolated digital islands, separated by physical paper. Notice how data travels. A transaction is printed, shipped across an ocean, and manually typed into the next island's computer. To fix this, we have to start by getting the data off the paper. We use a technology called Optical Character Recognition, or OCR. You can think of OCR as a highly efficient digital assistant. It rapidly scans physical pages, recognizes the text, and types the important numbers directly into a digital spreadsheet. OCR acts as the necessary first step to translating the physical world into the digital world. It turns dead, inactive paper into live data that a modern computer system can finally read and process. While OCR reads the text, artificial intelligence steps in to act as the brain. AI can actually understand the extracted data. Instead of a person spending hours reading invoices to make sure they match the shipping logs, advanced AI programs cross-check these documents instantly, learning to catch errors the moment they happen. Once that data is verified, it needs a home, a digital vault where everyone can see the information, but no one can secretly change it. This is where blockchain comes in. This diagram illustrates blockchain as a shared digital ledger for global shipping. When a carrier updates the record, everyone sees it instantly. Watch the system reject a duplicate document submission. Locked by advanced math, it creates a single version of the truth, preventing fraud. Once we have data on a shared blockchain, we can use smart contracts. A smart contract is simply a piece of computer code that is programmed to automatically execute a specific action the exact moment certain conditions are met. A standard vending machine is a great way to understand this. You don't need a human cashier to hand you a snack. The machine is programmed so that if you insert the correct money and press a button, the snack automatically drops. The transaction handles itself. In global trade, we write a smart contract to act just like that vending machine. We program the code so that a buyer's payment is automatically sent to the seller the very second the shipping company updates the blockchain to confirm the goods have been delivered. By combining a shared ledger with these self-executing contracts, we eliminate the need for slow, manual human verification. The code handles the workflow, automatically building trust between strangers across the globe. Because the current trade system is complex, it is targeted by people trying to move illegal money across borders using fake invoices. With millions of papers flying around every day, a few fraudulent documents can be very hard for human investigators to find. AI acts as a global detective. It can instantly scan millions of daily transactions to spot things that look wrong. If a basic product is suddenly priced at 10 times its normal market value, or a shipment is moving through a strange high-risk route, the AI flags it immediately. Blockchain then complements the AI by acting as a digital vault. Critical documents that prove who actually owns the goods are locked in. These records cannot be forged or altered, giving criminals nowhere to hide. Naturally, companies worry about their competitors seeing their private data on a shared ledger. Modern trade blockchains solve this by using advanced permissions. The system ensures that a company only sees the specific data they are explicitly allowed to view, keeping trade secrets safe. When you combine the detective work of AI with the security of blockchain, you get more than just speed. You get a powerful system that actively defends the global economy from bad actors. This summary graphic shows the sequence of this new workflow. OCR and AI read the paper to digitize the data. Blockchain connects the isolated islands with a secure shared ledger, and smart contracts automate the payments and trust. As these technologies continue to make international trade faster and safer, take a look at other systems in your life. What other traditional, paper-heavy industries do you think are most in need of this kind of change? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more educational content. Modernizing global trade is a massive undertaking, and it's a big part of how we're making the systems we all rely on faster and more transparent. Thanks for watching.